6th, Gary. Today is the 6th, right? The 6th of March, the year 2026. It's gonna be a thing.
I'm like a ladder, into the fire, burn out the ties. Oh, we gonna live it up. You gotta watch it. I'm in the